Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that adopting a plant-based diet can have a profound impact on both your health and the environment? Stick around to find out how you can make a positive change in your life. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based diets and how they have the potential to completely transform lives for the better. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious about making the switch, this video is for you. Let's start by addressing some common challenges and misconceptions people face when transitioning to a plant-based diet. Concerns about protein intake, fears of missing out on favorite foods, and doubts about nutritional adequacy are all normal. We'll tackle these head-on and show you how simple and rewarding this lifestyle can be. But don't worry, the benefits of a plant-based diet are truly endless. Not only can it lead to improved health outcomes and weight loss, but it also plays a crucial role in promoting sustainability and reducing your carbon footprint. By choosing plants over animal products, you're not only nourishing your body, but also making a positive impact on the planet. Now, let's highlight the incredible benefits of a plant-based diet. From boosting energy levels to promoting overall wellness, embracing this lifestyle can lead to remarkable improvements in your health and vitality. In summary, adopting a plant-based diet can be a game changer. It offers a wide range of benefits, from better health to a more sustainable future. So why not give it a try and see the positive impact it can have on your life? Ready to take the first step towards a plant-based lifestyle? Click the link in the video description for more tips and resources on transitioning to a plant-based diet. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life for the better. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.